Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? It's your boy, Logan, here with Y.B.Normal. That's right, Y.B.Normal when you can be extraordinary. I just wanted to come on here and I just wanted to give some words of encouragement. Just wanted to let you all know how proud I am for you all pulling together, not just the students and the staff and the administration, but the community as a whole. Listen to me. And so I want to say thank you because I know that it hasn't been easy, right? I know you were denied the money, right, from the government to be able to help with the flood, right? I know the challenges and how much money it's gonna cost you millions of dollars to pour back into the community and the school. And listen, I know that it's not easy. And so I just wanted to come on and just give you all some words of encouragement. I just wanted to come on and, say thank you for pulling together and let you know how proud I am. And then also just to give you all, some words of encouragement and a little motivation, right? And so we know that the road ahead, it may seem daunting. Adversity is not the end of your story. When I say that adversity is not the end of your story, I'm talking to the community. I'm talking to the students. I'm talking to the parents. I'm talking to the teachers and the staff. I'm talking to the administration. I'm talking to the superintendent, right? Because we know that the school being flooded, the community facing the challenges that it faced with it being flooded in the community, right? Like, we know that it was daunting, right? And so I just wanted to come on and I just wanted to encourage you all, right? And so listen, it's only a chapter. It's a chapter that will showcase your strength. It's a chapter that will showcase your resilience. It's a chapter that will showcase your determination to rebuild stronger than before. To my students, you are the future leaders of the community. Embrace this opportunity to learn not just from textbooks, but from the resilience that surrounds you. That's good. And know that you can weather any storm that life throws at you. You can have the life that you want as long as you continue to put one foot in front of the other. You can achieve the dreams and the goals that you set out for yourself as long as you don't quit. Nobody said that it would be easy, but we do know that it's worth it. To my parents, your unwavering support and love will be the cornerstone upon which these students can rebuild their lives and their dreams. So thank you for your support. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your empathy. Thank you for your courage and your compassion to be able to love on these students, to be able to love on these teachers, to be able to love on this administration, to be able to love on your neighbor and the people in the community. So thank you. To my teachers, listen, I know that it hasn't been easy because you have a family of your own. I know that it's been daunting. I know that it's been challenging. But this is where, in this moment, in this time, in this season, you all have hunkered down and you have grabbed life by its horns and you said that, listen, the buck doesn't stop here. So I want to say thank you. And I want to say thank you to the amazing, amazing, amazing leaders. Dr. Rockland, thank you for what you do. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your resilience. Thank you for your empathy. Thank you for your courage. And most importantly, thank you for standing up for this community. Because mounts, they climb together, right? And so I just want to say now is the time to lead with empathy, courage, and vision. Let's work together hand in hand to rebuild not just buildings, but the very fabric of the community. Let's ensure that no one is left behind. Let every voice be heard, and that hope shines brighter than any flood could ever come through the Antietam School District. So thank you for working together. Thank you for putting the students first. And most importantly, thank you for stepping up to the challenge, because we know that it's not easy. And so I just want to tell you all that, listen, I love you. I miss you guys. I hope to see you soon. And as always, why be normal when you can be extraordinary? I'll see you guys soon. I love you.